Thought for the day. Work-life balance is a myth. Instead, aim for work-life integration.
Welcome to 7 Minutes for Yourself. I'm Christina Aina, and I'm so glad you've joined me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. Let's take this time to reconnect with ourselves and improve our well-being.
In today's episode of 7 Minutes for Yourself, we are working to harmonize our career and our roles as parents. Have a listen.
Here are 10 ways to help you get closer to reaching an ideal work-life balance. Number 10, limit distractions and time wasters. Be disciplined and set time limits when checking email or making phone calls, things you can do when the kids are sleeping. Reduce TV watching. Try to avoid multitasking, especially when spending time with your children. At your workplace, try to avoid wasting time. Numerous email exchanges, casual internet surfing, gossiping, and long lunches are distractions that will make you less productive. Focus on your tasks at work and talk to coworkers during breaks or lunchtime. Number 9, consider the season you're in. It's so important to keep in mind that we experience life in seasons. Seasons here mean unique circumstances that demand our time and energy and focus. Your current season can help you determine what your priorities should be. Whether you're transitioning back to work after having kids or you've been a working mom for over a decade, be honest about where you are. Also, your kids go through their own seasons. Maybe they're starting their first year of high school, or maybe one of your children was just diagnosed with a learning challenge. It's okay to let some priorities go so you can focus on what matters. And if you're in a tough season, it won't last forever. Seasons come and go. The important thing is to be present and intentional no matter where you find yourself. Number 8, make the mornings easier. Avoid starting the day on a frazzled note by getting organized the night before. Pack the kids' lunches, lay out their clothes and your own, and have everyone shower. You should also decide what to make for breakfast and repack the diaper bag, backpacks, purses, or work bags to be placed by the door, right next to your keys, so you can grab them and lock them up on your way out. Look over the next day's to-do list and divide the schedule, determining which parent gets the kids dressed, buys necessary groceries, and cooks the meals. This is also a good time to discuss any changes to the family schedule. Knowing that a lot of the mundane tasks are completed will allow you to spend a few minutes eating breakfast with the kids without rushing out of the house. Number 7, don't try to do it all. Your time, money, and energy are finite. You're always going to have to make choices about how you spend them. You can either make choices that reflect what matters most to you, or you can try to do it all and fail, because you can't do everything you want to do, and you certainly can't do everything everyone else wants you to do. So accept your limits. Learn to feel confident about saying no to a whole bunch of things so you can focus on the few things that matter, your family and your work. Number 6, let go of the mom guilt. Mom guilt is a particularly tough feeling to face and overcome. You feel guilty when you miss your daughter's dance recital because of a company retreat, or you feel guilty for leaving work early again because you have a sick child. No matter what you do or don't do, you feel bad about it. But guilt doesn't make you a better mom. It stresses you out and makes you anxious. One of the root causes of guilt is that we're not clear on what's most important to us, so let go of the mom guilt. Number 5, wherever you are, be there. One of the side effects of mom guilt is that we're never confident in what we're doing. When we're at home, we feel like we should be at work. And when we're at work, we feel bad about not being at home. Without meaning to, we're making ourselves miserable. A Harvard study found that being present in the moment is a massive indicator of happiness. And sadly, 47% of the time, our minds are wandering. Give yourself permission to keep your mind and your body in the same place. You'll get more done, be present, and truly enjoy your life. Otherwise, you'll let your distracted thoughts and feelings of guilt draw your mind away from the present moment, and you'll miss out on your one beautiful life. Number 4, make time for rest. The adult human body needs 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, and we can bet that some working moms need more. A lack of sleep creates a long list of physical and mental health problems. Make bedtime a priority for you and your kids. The world feels brighter and lighter after a few nights of good sleep. Number 3, get up before the kids. I know we just talked about getting good sleep, but this one is important too. Get up before the kids, even if it's just 15 minutes earlier. Why? Because alone time is essential for feeling balanced, and as a busy mom, this might be the only alone time you get in a day. Plus, when you wake up before the kids, it helps you start your day as you. You're not a snack dispenser or a ride to early morning basketball practice. You get to spend a few quiet moments as yourself, with a journal, a cup of coffee, or a workout. Having some alone time in the morning will help you center your heart and your head and prepare for the rest of your day. Number 2. Get help. No one can do everything on their own, and working moms are no exception. Getting help doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. Whether it is family helping you with childcare or team members helping you with work projects, find creative ways to delegate and lighten your load. We can suggest a few practical ideas. You can try online or delivery grocery shopping. See what resources your church or community centers offer. Hire a babysitter or swap babysitting nights with friends if the budget is tight. Ask your kids and your spouse for help with chores around the house.
That concludes today's episode of 7 Minutes for Yourself. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on Apple Podcasts. Today and every day with your kiddo is a gift. Enjoy it. Thanks for tuning in.